when Kennedy became president of the United States, there was hope, there were dreams again for the future. Anything that Henry did was golden.
Henry's royal court is the centre of power and patronage in England.
The prizes to be gained from success at Henry's court were dazzling. Titles and estates and money, and above all else, you get power.
In this feudal age, society is rigidly structured.
Class was everything at the court of Henry. You were born to greatness. You did not work your way up.
The court is dominated by the noble landowning aristocracy.
As men of blue blood, they had the ability to be able to advise the king on areas of policy, and it was seen as their right, naming among them people who they had a right to advise him, his close confidence and advisors. They see Henry as one of their own, to go first among equals.
But Henry VIII has different ideas. In his mind, he has no equals.